Starting an online business is easier than ever. You don't need a big budget or fancy skills. With the right mindset and effort, you can create a successful online business from home. The internet offers many opportunities, and you can pick one that suits you best. In this video, we'll explore 10 of the best online businesses for beginners. Each idea is simple to start and has great potential for success. The video is going to be interesting, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more future updates. Let's get into the video. Number 10. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to make money online. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, video editing, or programming, you can offer your services. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer make it simple to find clients. You set your own rates, work from anywhere, and choose the projects you like. The key to success is building a strong profile and delivering high-quality work. To stand out in freelancing, specialize in a niche. Instead of being a general writer, focus on technical writing or sales copywriting. If you are a graphic designer, specialize in logo creation or brand identity. The more specialized your skills, the higher rates you can charge. Networking is also essential. Engage in online communities, join LinkedIn groups, and showcase your portfolio on social media to attract more clients. Number 9. Selling digital products. Digital products are a great way to earn passive income. These include ebooks, online courses, templates, or printables. Once you create a product, you can sell it over and over again without extra work. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable help you sell easily. If you have knowledge or skills others need, this is a great business to start. To maximize sales, research your audience's needs. Look at forums, Facebook groups, and social media to find common pain points. Then, create digital products that provide solutions. Offering bundle deals, discounts, or upsells can also increase your earnings. Additionally, using email marketing to nurture leads and promote your products can significantly boost sales. Number 8. Blogging. Blogging is a fantastic long-term business. You can start a blog about a topic you love, such as travel, health, or personal finance. Once you build an audience, you can make money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Platforms like WordPress and Blogger make it easy to start. The key is to post regularly and provide valuable content to your readers. SEO, search engine optimization, plays a crucial role in blogging success. Use relevant keywords, write in-depth articles, and get backlinks from reputable websites to rank higher in search engines. Monetization strategies like affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and membership subscriptions can help you make more money from your blog. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is about promoting other people's products and earning a commission. You don't need to create your own product. Instead, you share special links, and if someone buys through your link, you get paid. Popular platforms for affiliate marketing include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale. This business works well with blogging, YouTube, or social media. To succeed in affiliate marketing, choose products that align with your audience's interests. Provide genuine reviews and recommendations rather than just pushing sales. Using email marketing, SEO, and social media advertising can help drive more traffic to your affiliate links and increase conversions. Number 6. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without holding inventory. When a customer orders from your online store, the supplier ships the product directly to them. You don't need to handle storage or shipping. Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to start a dropshipping business. The key to success is finding trending products and good suppliers. Customer service is crucial in dropshipping. Since you don't control shipping, delays can occur. Be transparent with customers about shipping times and provide excellent support. Running Facebook and Instagram ads can help attract potential buyers, and using influencers to promote products can boost your brand's credibility. Number 5. Print on demand. Print on demand is similar to dropshipping, but focuses on custom-designed products. You create designs for t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and a supplier prints and ships them when someone orders. Websites like Printful and Redbubble handle everything for you. If you enjoy designing, this is a great business idea. To succeed in print on demand, focus on trending niches. Funny quotes, pop culture references, and motivational designs sell well. Using TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest to showcase your designs can attract customers. Running ads and offering limited-time discounts can also drive sales. Number 4, YouTube channel. YouTube is a great way to earn money online. You can start a channel about any topic you love: gaming, cooking, tech reviews, or personal development. Once you gain enough views, you can make money from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key to success is consistency and engaging content. Choose a niche you are passionate about and create high-quality videos regularly. Optimize video titles, descriptions, and thumbnails for better visibility. Engaging with your audience through comments and social media can help grow your subscriber base. Monetization methods include YouTube ads, brand deals, and selling digital products. Number 3, social media management. Many businesses need help managing their social media accounts. If you understand how platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok work, you can offer your services. You can charge clients for creating content, scheduling posts, and growing their audience. Websites like Upwork and People Per Hour help you find clients easily. To get started, create a portfolio showcasing your past work or start managing your own social media pages. Understanding analytics, running ad campaigns, and staying updated with trends will make you a valuable asset to clients. Building long-term relationships with businesses can lead to consistent income. Number 2, online coaching or consulting. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can offer coaching or consulting services. This could be business coaching, fitness coaching, or even life coaching. You can conduct sessions via Zoom or Skype. Websites like Clarity.fm and Coach.me can help you connect with clients. Providing real value to your clients is the key to growing this business. To attract clients, offer free value through blog posts, webinars, or social media. Testimonials and case studies can help build credibility. Creating a signature coaching program can help you scale and increase earnings. Number 1, selling handmade products online. If you enjoy making handmade crafts, you can sell them online. Jewelry, candles, home decor, and artwork are popular choices. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace make it easy to sell. Taking high-quality photos and writing good product descriptions help attract buyers. Handmade items have a growing market, with Etsy alone generating over $13 billion in sales in 2022. To maximize success, focus on creating unique products that stand out. Market your handmade goods through Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok, where visuals play a huge role in sales. Collaborating with influencers or offering limited edition collections can create buzz around your products. Providing excellent customer service, responding to queries quickly, and ensuring fast, reliable shipping will help build customer trust and encourage repeat purchases. Starting an online business in 2025 is a great opportunity. With so many options, you can find one that suits your skills and interests. The most important thing is to take action. Pick a business idea, start small, and keep improving. Success won't happen overnight, but with consistency, you can build a profitable online business. Now is the perfect time to start. That's all for today. Like and share the video, and tell us in the comments section which one is your favorite player. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.